नाजरीन, सीधा रुख करते पार्लियामेंट का, जहां पर दोनों ऐवानों में कार्रवाई शुरू हो चुकी है।
इसके ऊपर रिलीज स्टेशन में 100 की संख्या है और बाकी जगह पर है तो इसको 300 कम से कम सदस्य का प्रावधान रखा गया।
Yes.
Request you, as long as this is in the rule book, sir, either we can remove 267, but please do consider House meets very sparingly because of this pandemic. Sittings are also restricted. There are issues of concern. We should not read only in the newspapers or see
Right.
the television, sir.
I
have a
agree with
duty.
you. Anand ji,
Yes,
I
sir,
got the
my
point.
submission I have made.
I agree with you totally.
आप बैठिए सीटों पर, आप जिस भी मुद्दों पर चर्चा करना चाहते हैं उस मुद्दों पर सरकार चर्चा करने को तैयार है। कृपया सदन की कार्रवाई 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
लोकसभा 2 बजे तक के लिए मुलतवी कर दी गई है। हंगामे के बीच ये फैसला लिया गया है।
They give notice under 267 on variety of issues. Some of them are ongoing for long, and some of them were totally discussed earlier. What is the way for the chairman to admit 15 267s or 17 267s and then take the House forward? There is a 0 hour, which today, a 0 hour, all 0 hour notices are given by you. And some of them have been admitted. And you should give opportunity to those people to have their 0 hour submission. That is more important. Then at the end of it, what are the notices I received? By whom? I will read it over also and give my own judgment. So till such time, one must bear with the chair in the larger interest of the House and the system, and then wait for the turn to come. What is Ms. Haredi? After 0 hour, national interest is, everybody knows. National interest is nation's interest, including state's interest also. Please. No argument, no argument. It is between you and the government separately. Yeah, 0 hour. Papers to be laid on the table, Sri V. Muralidharan. Papers to be laid. Papers to be laid. Please. Papers to be laid on the table.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name in today's revised list of businesses.
The reports of the Committee on Public Accounts, Sri Bhuvanesh Karita. Please, it is papers to be laid on the table of the House. Please bear with us. That has been the practice.
Versions of the reports, numbers 36, 37 and 38 of the Public Accounts Committee 2021-22 as listed against my name in the today's list.
The House is adjourned to meet at 12 o'clock because some people have decided not to allow the House.